In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use guides in Google Slides for clean alignment. Let's start inside your Google Slides presentation. With your deck open, the first thing you'll do is turn on the guides so you can see them. Go to the top menu, click View, then Guides, and choose Show Guides. Guides are thin, non-printing lines that sit on top of your slide. They won't show up when you present or export your slides, but they're incredibly helpful for building a clean, consistent layout. Next, add the guides you need. Go back to View, then Guides, and choose either Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide. Vertical guides help you keep left and right margins consistent, align columns, or anchor logos. Horizontal guides help with top and bottom margins, spacing for headers and footers, and making sure text and images sit on the same visual baseline. You can add one or several of each, depending on your layout. Once a guide appears, position it exactly where you want it. Simply click and drag the guide to move it anywhere on the slide. If you're setting margins, drag a vertical guide near the left edge and another near the right edge. For a header line, drag a horizontal guide down from the top. Take your time to place them thoughtfully. Even small shifts can make your slide look more balanced. If it helps, zoom in while you drag to place the guide with more precision. Now put your guides to work. Drag text boxes, images, and shapes so their edges or centers line up with your guides. You'll notice how this immediately tidies up your design. Keep key elements aligned to the same guides across your slides to create a cohesive, professional look. Consistent margins, perfectly aligned titles, and evenly spaced content. This approach is especially useful for multi-column layouts, photo grids, or slides where you repeat a structure from one page to the next. If you need more than one guide, simply repeat the process. View, Guides, then add vertical guide or add horizontal guide again. Add as many as your layout requires and reposition them whenever your design evolves. Remember, these guides are there to help you build quickly and confidently, and they'll never appear in your final presentation. That's it. Turn on the guides, add vertical and horizontal lines, drag them into place, and use them to align every element with intention. With just a few guides, your slides will look sharper, cleaner, and far more consistent.